The Pageless Google Docs feature is a way to make our classwork a little bit more accessible, easy to use, and easy to navigate for our students. This is an example of it's just a classwork assignment that students might do. It's a document kind of source analysis about water in the Middle East. So if you look at this from the traditional view, which is where you start out in Google Docs, and you scroll down, the students would be reading, taking notes, all that good stuff. And as they scroll down, they have this break here, which is the way that we see where the page breaks when it prints. So it can be annoying, it can be confusing, it can throw off students who are just not as comfortable working online. So what Pageless function lets us do is get rid of that and all of the page breaks and just have one streamlined document for students to work on. So there are two ways to turn on the Pageless view. The first one is to go up to your File menu and go to Page Setup. And here you just have two options. Do you want Pages or do you want Pageless? So once you turn that to Pageless, you can also change the background color if you so desire. I'm going to leave ours white, and then you click OK. And now, as the students scroll, there's no break. It's just their source analysis and there's no distractions of that page break. The second way for you to do it, and this is a way to access any function really in Google Docs, is to go to the Help menu and just simply search the menus for Pageless, and then you could go ahead and click it there too. Now we've turned it off again. So that is just one quick overview of the Pageless feature, and I hope that it helps in your classroom.